Hello, this is Alice from sewingathomemom.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to teach you how to wind the bobbin. So I have my thread, but before that I always recommend is to look into your sewing machine manual for the most accurate direction for your sewing machine, for your model. You start with placing the thread onto the spool pin. So remove the cup, place the spool thread onto the spool pin, secure it with that cup, make sure it stays firm so it will not tangle the thread. Then you feed that thread into that thread guide. So you go under, up, and then to the side, and then we're gonna wind thread clockwise around front of bobbin winder tension disc. So it will go from the side, it will make like a loop. It's gotta go under that disc to keep to control the tension. So it goes under. Okay, you can hold it with your hand like that. Go make sure it goes under, right? Because this is like, it keeps the tension of that thread. So you go between the thread guide and between the tension winder disc. So you go like that and then around it. And then gonna take the bobbin. There are small holes located in the bobbin. So what you do is you insert the thread through that hole, right? Just like that. Hold it with your finger. You can start a little bit. Next, you place the bobbin onto spindle and push it to the right. And then push it to the right. Make sure you press the indent button to prevent from the needle moving. Also press the machine on. So once you have that, you hold on to this before you start. So you press onto the foot controller. Obviously you're gonna do that with your foot and it starts spinning. And now you just accordingly, you're gonna do it as much as you need. So this bobbin will go all the way until it reaches its full capacity. It will turn by itself, or wind the bobbin as much as you need to and then stop, cut the thread off. Let me show you how it turns off. So you just go all the way. So it's done, it will not go anymore. And then once you're done, you have to push the bobbin to the left and remove it from the spindle. So move it to the left, remove it from the spindle, and then cut the thread off. And then also cut the top thread off. And that's it. If you like this video and you find it useful, please make sure you share it, subscribe, like it. So next you have to return the hand wheel disc to sewing position by pressing the side opposite intent. So you gotta press this thing back, and now your machine is ready for sewing again. If you need to refill the bobbin case, here is your bobbin. You're ready to go. Please subscribe my channel and come back for more content. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.